Welcome to another episode. This is Ken, and today we're gonna learn how to reverse a car. What do you need to know before you start reversing a car? You just don't reverse. What do you need to know when reversing? We have the left side mirror, we have the right side mirror, we have the rear mirror just above your head. You should be able to look over your shoulders, the left side and the right side, to see if there is any obstacle. We put hazard light, especially in town. You have to put that so that you can notify the incoming car. After putting it into hazard, you come here, you put it into reverse, this one, like this. You put into reverse. When reversing, you're gonna make sure that you maintain this space here. You see this space, it should not change, it should remain the same. That means you are on a straight line. So I'll demonstrate. Like that. Like that. Your car is on a hazard, so the incoming will see. And like that, like that, like that. We have successfully reversed the car. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and press that like button and share it with your friend. Reversing is not hard, it needs practice. Just practice, and practice makes perfect. Just practice, it is very easy. Thank you.